Russian equipment losses since 2022 from tanks to drones 22,900 plus Russian military assets lost since 2022 and counting. Let's break down the armor wipeout. Tanks 4,152, infantry fighting vehicles 6,139, armored vehicles 2,900 plus, over 13,000 armored beasts destroyed. The artillery duel tells another story. Self-propelled artillery 977, towed artillery 517, the rocket launchers 527, SAM and air defense around 400. Russia's God of War is bleeding. In the air war, losses aircraft 166, helicopters 164, recon drones 742. Even the skies aren't safe. Then there's the truck problem. Trucks, jeeps and logistics 4,220 plus. Without trucks, no fuel, no ammo, no war. The grand total 22,909 total losses. Heavy armor only 13,293. Excluding trucks and drones 17,933. Russia's war machine is rusting away. Fast forward to 2025. Latest Ukrainian reports from September 2025. Tanks 11,200 plus, AFEs and IFEs 23,000 plus, artillery 33,000 plus, aircraft 427, helicopters 345, UAVs 63,000 plus, vehicles and fuel trucks 62,000 plus, from 1,000 to tens of thousands. What it means: reserves running dry, older Soviet gear dragged out, reliance on North Korean ammo and Iranian drones, slower territorial gains in 2025, a grinding war of attrition. Russia's war machine is bleeding, but can Ukraine keep up the pressure? Like and subscribe for more battlefield breakdowns.